Hey there, it's Noah from NoahBritton.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at interfaces. Now, Airtable interfaces are a really great way to create dashboards. And I'm going to create a dashboard for you to show you how to see your project information at a glance based on the lead source. So let's go ahead and create one right now by clicking on Interfaces, click on Start Building. For my interfaces, I just call them Overall Interface because there's a lot of different interfaces you can have in there. And I'm going to do this as a regular dashboard. All right, now what table am I talking about? This is definitely clients that I want to talk about. And click Next, and I'm going to call this my client money dashboard. A really quick way to see information about our money. Now it pulls certain things in automatically based on what they think you want to see. So I'm going to ignore all this for now. But what I want to first do is create a couple filters. And on this interface, I want people to be able to say, okay, is this a current client or not? I also want to be able to have them change the lead source to filter data by that. Okay, that's enough there. Now, when you first get into each one of these fields here, let's go ahead and choose the field we want to report on. Now, I want to report on the total proposal dollar amount. That's the field I want to pull in. And I want to get an average of that. And I'm going to call this average project price. This next one, the field I want to look at is going to be the recurring revenue. So that would be the current recurring revenue. I also want to average that, so I'll call this one average recurring revenue. I'll keep it as blue, that's fine. And then this final one, I want to see the total length of the project. I think this is project in weeks. Let's give this an average. Okay. And as far as these two charts here, I'm going to keep that for now. So let's actually first now publish this interface so we can start playing around with it as an end user, which is going to be you or somebody on your team. All right, so right now we see our average project is 14 grand, at recurring revenue is 134 a month, average project takes 31 weeks, and we see some nice charts here. Now what do we want to see? Just the leads that came in from Google. How does that change? So Google leads are making more money per project, they're taking a lot less time, and again, this is fake data, so don't take this to heart. But let's see, what about Clutch? What about Clutch leads? 13 grand, etc. So you can see very, very quickly that we can filter down this information in a visual dashboard. I think it's an amazing addition to Airtable. So hope you enjoy this, and I've just created this within the Airtable that y'all have access to. Feel free to use that as you like. Thanks.